hear from a lot of students, so that's why I published the student guide. But if you're in your first year, um, this is what I did. It's not necessarily the best for everybody, but I found it beneficial to not take programming classes in college. I really wasn't a fan of how, and I'm still not a fan of how most programming classes are taught at the academic level. I preferred to be a business major in college, and then I did programming stuff on my own. Now, keep in mind, I went to a technical high school, so I already had a bit of programming behind me. I already had a solid foundation, object-oriented programming, working in a couple languages. So maybe my situation was a little bit different. But if you're in your first year, if you're kind of still early in your college career, consider doing some of the programming stuff on your own, and then learning some of the stuff you can't do on your own in college, right? Like, for example, I was a business major. I was an international business major. So I was taking like international banking, international finance, economics, microeconomics, all these classes. I'm not going to teach myself international finance on my own. I'm not going to learn international banking on my own, but I can learn Python on my own, right? So kind of keep that balance if you want to be a data scientist, because you're going to need business courses as a data scientist. Maybe I'll do a video on this sometime. But a lot of being a data scientist is just dealing with stakeholders too, right? And a business degree is going to help you a lot more with that than a computer science degree.